Okay, Bree. Listen, we're here, so let's get right into your assignment, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
So, what I'm seeing here is we've got some three-dimensional shapes, and these are called prisms. And your goal for today is you need to find the volume of the prism, okay? The
Okay.
sort of common term is a box, but the official math term is a three-dimensional prism. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be working off a formula. And the formula is fairly simple. It goes, the volume is length times the width times the height. Okay? So or usually would be abbreviated something like that. Whoops. Let's do it right. Something like this. So normally when you work with formulas, what they always want you to do in school, and I always agree with this, is we want to collect our data. So let's look over here. Let's do number one. So in this case, what's the length of this figure?
18 centimeters?
Great, you got it. And then what's the width?
6?
Perfect.
Or 5? 6.
6, that's 6. You got it. Now the height is going to go from the base up. So in this case, the height is
24 centimeters.
awesome. So here's all we really have to do. There's not a ton of math going on here. We're just going to take these three numbers and we're going to multiply them. Okay? Now, math genius that you are, I don't know if you need to use a calculator or not, but 18 times 6 times 24 is 2,592. Now we're missing one thing because these are centimeters, right? So when we get the units, when we go into a volume situation, we're talking about cubic centimeters because you have centimeter.
Yep.
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay. So basically, the main goal here is to find the volume, but the way you're going to find the volume is to use the formula, plug our numbers in, and go from there. So let me take a quick screenshot for you, which I'll send you, and I'll get that to you in a second. So you ready to try one?
I think so.
All right. Well, that's good. I love the confidence. All right, here we go. So let's do number 2, okay?
Okay.
Now, let's review the formula. Volume equals what?
Length times width times height.
Okay, now we're looking at number 2 here. You tell me, what's our length?
15 centimeters.
That's good. Very good. So this is length. What's the width?
30 centimeters.
And the height is?
10 centimeters.
All right. Now, basically what we're going to do is multiply them, right?
Right.
All right. So 15 times 30 times 10 is
4,500.
Excellent. And again,
centimeters cubed.
Awesome. There you go.
Yay.
Yeah, it's not so terrible.
It's not.
Why don't we try one more? I'm going to let you try this one a little bit more on your own. Now, here's a question people ask me. The height's usually pretty evident because that always goes up. But sometimes people interchange the base, the length and the width. And it really doesn't matter. But the way I was taught and the way most classes do, they'll usually do the length in the front. Or sort of coming at you and the width coming away. So here's your challenge for today. Let's see if you can get number 3 all by yourself. So I'm going to set it up here.
Okay.
You tell me what you want to fill in. You ready?
So the length would be 20 centimeters. Okay. And the width would be 20 centimeters.
Right. Excellent. Now, what else do we need?
And then the height would be 5 centimeters.
That is excellent. Now, what are we going to do next?
Multiply 20, 20, and 5.
Which is a nice round number.
2,000 centimeters cubed.
Excellent. There you go.
Thank you. It was good.
Yeah. So, yeah. Well, volume is not the most complicated thing you're going to learn. But like most things, you got a formula, you got something that you have to work with, and you got to use it the right way. So that's the way it is. You got a couple more we got to do, but are you okay to work on these on your own now?
Yes, I'm feeling confident in them.
Good, good. Well, if you have any questions, you can always get back to me, and we can run from there. I guess what I'm going to do as usual is, let me jump over here, and I'll put this together and send you the screenshots from today. How about that? And we'll be in good shape. All right. So listen, thank you very much, and we're going to sign off in a second. But if you have any questions, let me know. The main thing is you got to practice a little bit, okay?
Okay, sounds good. Thank you for your help.
You got it. So long.